How to deactivate your Facebook account on Android. This tutorial shows you how to temporarily disable your account while keeping your data intact. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap Manage icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three lines at the top left of your profile page to open the menu. At this point, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Following this, scroll down and tap Account Center. From here, tap Manage Accounts at the bottom. After that, tap Manage right beside your Facebook account. At this stage, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Following this, select Deactivate Account, the first option, then tap Continue. From here, you'll see a notice that any pages you manage will also be deactivated while your account is off. Keep that in mind before moving forward. After that, tap Continue and enter your password on the next page to confirm. Finally, tap Deactivate Account to complete the process. Keep in mind that deactivating is temporary. Your profile, photos, and data are all saved, and you can reactivate anytime by simply logging back in. That's how you deactivate your Facebook account on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.